Don't miss this first floor, 1,337 square foot modern 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in the exclusive and peaceful Ten Hills neighborhood. This unit offers garage and driveway parking, and the amazing assembly row and subway station is just steps away. Welcome to 114 Ten Hills Road in red-hot Somerville, Massachusetts. Conveniently located less than a mile off Route 93 and less than 2 miles from Boston, this unit offers a fantastic layout. This home features an oversized living room with a wall of windows, a convenient office space, a formal dining room with charming natural woodwork, and a built-in hutch, as well as a modern eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and a handy peninsula, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen also has direct access to a lovely porch and a soon-to-be-built new patio area with lovely plantings, stones, and fencing. Rounding out the unit are 2 good-sized bedrooms, a modern bath, and a kitchen pantry area. Private laundry and tons of storage are also included in the basement. You will not find more bang for your buck or a handier location than being just seconds to outstanding walking, running, and biking along the scenic Mystic River Reservation bike path and to the blessings of the Bay Boathouse, which has kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and rowing. This is a spectacular location for walking or just being a short walk to over 50 restaurants, bars, and cafes. Enjoy the amazing assembly row with its phenomenal dining options near the river, exciting shopping with more than 40 national brands available, bowling and games and drinks at the popular Lucky Strike Social Bar, all the top movies at the AMC Theater with its incredible IMAX and Dolby Sound theaters, as well as the popular Encore Boston Harbor Casino for fine dining and national entertainment in their Picasso Ballroom. Everything you wanted or need is available within a short walk, bike, or drive.